And we're gonna see more aerobatics coming up in just a little bit with the Pit Special, performed by Bob Rooster Schmidl.
Points the nose down, picks up speed to about 120 miles per hour, and then pulls back on the stick. Eases off at the top of the loop, turns it into a Cuban, pulls hard back onto the stick, and then we go into another Cuban 8. 120 miles an hour, pulls back on the stick, and we're going into a full loop this time. Pulls back hard, goes up into another loop, so we're going to double loop. Stops at the top, turns into a Cuban 8.
Still good.
Screams down, 120 miles an hour, pulls back on the stick. Blows out of it. This is the aerobatic ride that's for sale. It's an aerobatic ride. You can experience this just as he's doing it. Goes up into a hammerhead, looking straight at the ground. 120 miles an hour. Pulls back on the stick. And as he's pulling back on the stick, it sinks you into the seat. It's such a cool way to experience aviation. Loop after loop after loop. Incredible display of airmanship and energy management. Just listen to that engine. So Conn, excellent pilot, just retired from United Airlines.
American, I mean.
He's coming in to make a nice landing. And I mean, he's got it kicked over so hard. And like his brother, it lands at he puts it on the numbers basically. The only two of the pilots that know that could actually do that. So now he's going to taxi on back. Oh, he's going to show off a little bit. Okay, so he's got the tail lifted up. This takes some skill. And I mean, he's doing it on grass. You know, it's not like he's on pavement. He's doing this on grass. So he's gonna come by here. He's gonna show off for you. But this is his way of waving at you. So just give him a big round of applause. You gotta give him the 360 for the gram. Okay, give him the 360. Go ahead. Dave Conn, ladies and gentlemen, Dave Conn.
We're Conn.